Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to book seats on Emirates. So follow these detailed steps to book or select seats for your Emirates flight using the Emirates web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser and go to the Emirates official website at emirates.com. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to log in using an existing account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you logged in successfully, is going to take you to this fantastic homepage. Now, from this homepage, head over to the Manage tab, which is in the top menu bar, and click on it. So this top menu bar, you have Book, Manage, Experience, Verify, Loyalty, and Help. Click on Manage, and that takes you here. Now, from this drop-down option, go ahead and click on Retrieve Your Booking. And that's going to take you to the Manage Booking page. Now, in the Manage Booking page, you're going to have to enter your last name and your booking reference number, which is characterized by 6-character code. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Retrieve Booking to access your booking details. After accessing your booking, look for the Seat Selection or Choose Seats option. Now, once you do that, click on it to proceed with selecting your booking seats. You'll be shown a seat map of the aircraft. Now, select your preferred seats from the available options. Seats may be categorized by class, which is first, business, or economy, and some seats may have an additional cost for selection. Example, extra legroom, front of the cabin, or window seats. You can also view the seats features, such as extra space, proximity to the aisle, or any other special seating requests. After selecting your seat, confirm your choice. If the seat selection is free, depending on the class of the service and fare type, you will not be charged. Now, if a charge applies, you'll be prompted to provide payment details. Once the seats are selected and confirmed, the system will show a confirmation screen. Review your seat selection details and ensure everything is A-OK. You can choose to save your seat confirmation or print it for your reference. You can always return to the Manage Booking section to review or change your seat selection before your flight. And that's it. You have successfully booked or selected your seats on Emirates using the Emirates web app. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.